everyone, this is Group T's BI201 project. Our selected topic is R selected species. R selected species are species with large number of progeny or offspring. They are fast growing but mostly die young. They mostly invade disturbed places, and when they find new resources, they exploit it to the full. They also represent type 3 survivorship curve. Some examples of R-selected species are clams, dandelion, weed or grass. However, our chosen R-selected species is frogs, and they're mostly common in Fiji.
With frogs, they tend to reside around areas with water such as pond or swamps in order to reproduce. However, they can also survive on land. In addition to this, frogs as an amphibian species, they spend most of their life stages in water. The characteristics of frog species is that frogs have strong, long, webbed hind feet that are adapted for leaping and swimming. Most of the frog's respiration occurs through the skin. The moisture of the skin dissolves oxygen from the air and water from its surrounding, and it transmits it into the blood. That is why their skin is rough. Furthermore, a frog's diet usually consists of insects or small vertebrates. They are often referred to as opportunistic feeders, eating whatever comes their way. As a mechanism, they catch their prey using their tongues, whereby its sticky tongue is thrown out of its mouth and wraps it around its prey. For the second picture, you can see how the frog sticks out its tongue to catch its prey. The reproduction of frog species begins by when the male climbs on top of the female's back and claps his forelaps around her middle. It takes about these two frogs to remain in that position for 20 minutes. After that, when the female releases her eggs, the male also releases his sperm into the water at the same time. Frogs can lay up to 4,000 eggs at a time. When the eggs are in the water, the eggs hatch into tadpoles and then later into frogs. Frogs reproduce sexually, and the fertilization of the eggs happens outside of the frog's female's body instead of the inside. Frogs can be sexually mature at the age of 4. Since frogs produce a lot of offspring, they have a low probability of surviving to adulthood. So basically they have like a short lifespan. They come under the type 3 survivorship curve, as you can see for the curve. As their age increases, the number of survivors, they decrease. This could be that when the eggs are produced, there are not much of them that could make it to adulthood, and the cause of this could be predation at a very young age for frogs. So that could be one of the causes of their number of survivors decreasing on the way to adulthood.